Hey everyone, I have a special announcement to make. In this video, I wanted to cover two important topics. One, say thank you to my new subs and a live stream announcement. And two, give everyone the direction I plan on taking this channel. Also, if you're not subbed yet, you should because I post 2 times a week and I'm highly engaged with our growing community. Test me out by commenting below and I promise I will reply.
And that's a fact.
So first off, to all my subs, I wanted to dedicate time today to say thank you for all your support. You all are the reason I do this, and every new subscriber I get motivates me to create more content for you. You all are amazing, so thank you for your support. In order to show my appreciation, I'm going to do my first live stream this weekend.
Oh yeah!
I'm gonna start streaming on Friday, 8 p.m. US Eastern Time, and will stream for as long as I can. This live stream is gonna be an Ask Me Anything and a Tokyo free walk. So feel free to hop on at any time and say hello, learn more about each other, and discuss anything you'd like. Also, if you have a place you'd like to see in Tokyo or have a recommendation, feel free to let me know on stream. Also during my live stream, I'm going to be filming my subscriber special video that will be released next week. So hop on the stream and be a part of the fun while we make that video. I'm not going to release the subject of the video here, but it's gonna be hilarious, so you don't want to miss it.
You son of a bitch! I'm in!
Alright, topic 2. What direction I plan on taking this channel. If you can't tell yet, I love exploring Japan, and I want to share everything I know about this country with you all. That way when you come to Japan, you'll have plenty of ideas what you want to do here. But also, based on the feedback I've received from my Japan travel update videos, it has become obvious to me that everyone wants to know when Japan's gonna open again.
Let me in!
So based off of all of this, I will continue to provide Japan travel update videos every Friday. And of course, if any major news breaks, I will post it as soon as possible.
Nice.
And then, at the beginning of the week, I will post things to know about Japan in a vlog-like format. Whether it's a place, an event, or just useful things to know, I will cover it. Think of this channel as a one-stop shop for all Japan travel updates, and a channel to help plan your trip to Japan when it finally opens again. But that's gonna be it for now. Comment below if you want me to go to a certain place in Tokyo this weekend. Also, share this channel with your friends so they can join in on the fun and be the first to know about Japan travel updates. Again, thank you all for the support, and I'll see you this weekend.